guys, just want to make this short and sweet. I'm getting ready for bed. I am like extremely exhausted. I just wanted to let you know within the next couple of days I will be showing you some of the things that will be in the giveaway. I can tell you right now a few of the things that are going to be in it. There's going to be false lashes, there's going to be mascara, there's going to be eyeliner, there's going to be eyeshadow primer, an eyeshadow base. It's going to have to do with the eyes. There's going to be like a bunch of things thrown in there. And then the big thing, in which there might be a couple, but the one big thing is going to be the winner is going to get to pick their own palette. Please let me know in the comments below if you think that if you would rather pick your own palette up to, I don't know, we'll say around $55, because I obviously am not going to buy you a Natasha Denona palette. I can't afford that. So let me know if you would rather pick your own palette, which would take a couple extra days, you know, to get to me, than me to mail to you, or if you, or actually I could have it just mailed to you, or if you guys would want the Mani palette or the Thirsty palette. Again, I can show this to you really quick. Here is the Thirsty palette, and here is the Mani palette, and this is my absolute favorite. And these are back in stock, so I can hurry up and grab one of these if you guys would want this in the giveaway instead. Just please let me know ASAP in the comments below. I was thinking about the blood sugar, but everybody's pretty much got it. But if you guys would rather pick your own, then just let me know, okay, like down below, like ASAP. One of the things 100% for sure that I'm going to put in there is the Colourpop No Filter concealer. I'm going to put it in the color Fair, because this is a really nice eyeshadow base for like just a pop, like when you're using colors. It really makes your colors pop. So I'm definitely going to put this in there. Also, I'm going to have an extra Colourpop No Filter, the new, but it's going to be in light 55. But this doesn't match you, like that's fine. I'll have something else to give you. I'm probably going to have a BH Cosmetics brush set in there also, because that's eye related. So, like I said, there'll be a box of stuff, and sometime down the road I will definitely do another video, and I will show everybody the whole entire giveaway, and that will be within the next week. So we will say by next Friday. Actually, maybe by Thursday, during my live on Thursday, and I'll leave that live up. Or you know what, no, I'll just make a video after I get everything, and I will just show everybody what's going to be in the giveaway. Now, the thing with the giveaway is, it could be, I could, you know, do it tomorrow, I could do it anytime between now. I only have like around 456, 460, you know, so I'm still about 40 away. So the giveaway actually can be anytime between now and we'll say like 502. Like, I can wait till then, or I can wait till now. I'm going to keep my videos short, so they'll be 10 minutes or under, because I don't expect you guys to sit around and, you know, just non-stop be watching my videos, you know, all the way through. I understand people are busy. You have to be a loyal supporter of mine, so if you just subscribe to my channel and, you know, you haven't interacted with me and you haven't got to know me, you haven't come to my lives, then your chances of winning are pretty much, you know, going to be low. I'm going to use the wheel that I always use for my giveaways. And the giveaway will be live, and it will be at noon Eastern time. Whenever I do it, but you won't know when I'm doing it, because like I said, I'm going to put it in one of my videos, and I am not going to announce, you know, hey, like I'm doing the giveaway in this video or anything. So it's going to be pretty hush-hush, and it's all going to be through email. There isn't going to be certain comments going to be left. My email's in my description, so if anyone wants entered, they're going to have to go to my email at the time of the video, go to my email and just say enter me. So that way I have, you know, your entry. And if anybody's caught cheating by telling anyone else, like, hey, it's in this video, like, go enter, it's in this video this time, or just, you know, go say this to Jess in an email, like, you both will be disqualified and you both be blocked and banned from my channel. Let's be fair. So, if you guys have any questions or anything, please leave it in the description below. Leave it in the comments below. I'm sure I missed a lot, but like I said, I will be showing you guys things very, very, very soon. I'm very excited about this giveaway. I never thought I'd make it to 500, but yay, and thank you guys, even though I'm not quite there yet. But, yeah, let me know what you think about the palettes. Should I just go ahead and do the Manny or the Thirsty palette, or do you think I should just let you guys pick your palette? Alright guys, that's all I got for today. I will see you all next time.